Do you know it's bored to just call and Skype someone? It's very, very bored. Here's how to change them. Go to the volume speakers. Sounds. Find incoming call. Tap on it. Click on right here. And change the ringing how you want. This is much more you can just want to. But don't worry, it won't change. I will just... However you want, you can just... IDK how now. But you can change all that Skypes. You can also find other features, just like new fax notification, new email notification, and others. Or you can just click this checkbox. It says play Windows Start sound. That means when you open this computer, it will play the Windows Start sound. So that's how. So thank you for watching. As always, say stay tuned and goodbye.